Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi my fellow June bugs, thank you so much for joining me again in this video. Welcome to day 5 of the 28 days of unboxing in this February frenzy of handbag unboxings. Oh my gosh, every time I film a video I feel like it gets worse and worse, like the title of this series that I'm doing. But anyways, you guys know the drill. We are doing another unboxing video today. If you are new here though, hi, welcome. My name is June. I am a doctor by day, but I do make YouTube videos in my spare time. If you've only just tuned into this video, I am currently on a handbag unboxing frenzy where I do an unboxing every day in the month of February, and today's unboxing is another Chanel. So I feel like I want to try and like tie in with the handbag unboxings that I'm doing with each video just to make it fun. We will see. It's already hard enough trying to just do a video a day. But as you can see from the color palette that I've got going right now, today we have got a little bit of a possibly pink, burgundy, this color palette, but it is from Chanel. This bag I purchased, I believe, in 2021, towards the end of it, and I wanted to add this bag because of the material that the bag was made from, and the color was just gorgeous. I did actually purchase this from New York. I got it from Treasures of New York also, I think, when they were having like a Black Friday sale, and I managed to get, I think it was 10% off or 15% off. I feel like it was still pretty expensive, I'm not gonna lie. This was, I believe, in the middle of COVID, and I did actually have to add on duties, which was the cost of like the discount I had anyway. So look, I have to say it's like probably not my best purchase, and I'm still not 100% sure about it, but I do love the color and the texture of it, and it is a very unique bag. So without further ado, let's get on to the unboxing. Please welcome my latest Chanel unboxing, and that is the let me just get it out of the dust bag. It is this gorgeous vintage velvet kiss lock closure bag. It's just so cute. It is such a darling little bag. It's definitely a little vintage number. I just think of it as something that you would take out in the evening when you're sort of really dressed up. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it is in this beautiful velvet texture. This is my first velvet bag that I've added to my collection, and I'm honestly obsessed. I want to add more. I really want to add like a velvet blue or a velvet green in the Chanel like mini bag, but yeah, they are actually pretty expensive. I saw someone rocking a fake Chanel green velvet bag, and I was kind of like, I kind of love it. I feel like velvet just keeps the color so nice. So yeah, anyways, this is what it looks like. It is sort of like a dome shaped bag. It's got this strap that you can double up like this, or you could do this or do this, so it is quite adjustable. And then the bag itself, it's really quite unique. So it is a kiss lock bag. So opening it up, the interior, so it's 2 slip pockets in the interior of the kiss lock bag, as you can see, and then on either side you've got bigger compartments, so you can actually put your phone in there. This bag isn't on the market very often. I do see it in like a variety of different colors. I have seen it in like a nude, and I've also seen it in a gold. I actually was thinking of getting the gold before I saw this, because the gold is just like, it's a little evening bag. It's very evening-ish. So if you're looking for something like this, I'll try and find and link it if it's still available. But I already have a gold bag, which I will be revealing to you guys very soon. And so when I saw this in the velvet, I kind of just died, because the velvet just threw me. I just love the velvet so much. But believe it or not, velvet is actually pretty hard to style, especially in this deep color. So this to me is definitely more of like a winter evening bag. So it's very, very specific, and also doesn't carry a huge amount. So that's the only limitation with this bag, but it is in incredible condition. Just got a cute little CC there. So yeah, I don't know what else there is to say about this bag. It's just a tiny little cutie. Let me just show you what it looks like on me. So this is how you can wear it. So just really small and dainty. If you wanted to, you could sort of do this as well. It's kind of cute. What do you guys think? You could even carry the bag like this if you wanted to, just something different. but I kind of like want to try and figure out a way that I can shorten the strap so that I can wear it as like a little top handle, because you guys know I love my short like top handle bags, but the only limitation is that with this, because it's a kiss lock closure, just to open the bag you need to stretch out this side. So I don't know, I'm trying to figure it out. I want it to be like this, honestly. So I think this is so cute, but whether you can just leave this dangling like a little chain, I'm not sure. And then that still allows you to open it up if you need to. Maybe that might just have to be an option, and then I can put like, I don't know, like a little charm or something. But yeah, I kind of prefer it like little top handle velvet bag. That's so cute. One way is you can store the chains at the front pocket. That could work. That could work. So that's so cute. I love wearing my bags like this, so this is probably how I'd wear it. What I've done is I've just created like a knot on one end of the strap, and I've just tucked that knot into like the pocket, and then this allows you to just wear it as a top little handle. Obviously it limits what else you can put in there, but I don't know, I'm obsessed with wearing my bags like this. I just think this is so adorable. You guys should let me know what you think. Obviously it is also quite versatile in that you can wear it as a shoulder bag, but yeah, do let me know what you think of this bag. Is it something you've seen before? Do you love velvet? Do you own a velvet bag yourself? I really do want to add like a velvet green to my collection. I don't know when that would happen, but I'm sort of just putting it out there. That's probably something on my wish list. Anyways, you guys, that is my 6th handbag unboxing slash reveal. We are getting through this somehow. I can't believe I've already done 6 and it's still not been a week. If you want to see how I wear or style this bag, make sure you follow me on my Instagram. But yeah, anyways, you guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, hope you're having a wonderful week or weekend. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.